So I'm gonna try to flip this 50 USD account that I just deposit into any profit that I can make. So right now, if we take a look at the hour 4, it's bullish, and if we take a look at the hour 1, it's kind of bearish at the moment. But if we take a look at the daily, it's bullish. So daily and H4 is bullish, and if you take a look at our one is bearish. What about the minute 15? It's actually started to show bearish momentum for the minute 15. So now what we want to do is we're gonna stick with our uh, bullish bias. Now if we can see over here, we need to know the history of the price. So right now we have a break of structure. Retracement has already been done from the break of structure, and if we take a look, it's kind of we have a resistance become support level, so we try to go up. And what do we have here is support become resistance level. So right now the price is actually sitting around here. And what else do we have? Try to find if we are on any key level. So was support become resistance. So what we're gonna see here is actually we're about to see bearish momentum. So right now I'm just gonna click sell 0.02. I'm just gonna put my SL just above the wick and take profit around this level. And how much do we get? 660 pips. And so what we are waiting is so 3359. We're gonna have a stop order. Just gonna put it here, one of it here. Just putting a stop loss just below this level and take profit on this level over here, just above the wick. We take a look at the minute 15. Okay, what do we have? Alright, so I'm gonna put another buy limit just this level. I'm just gonna put my stop loss, tight stop loss, then with M slightly higher for 100 pips, and I'm gonna let this trade runs and see how it goes. And if we take a look, maybe the price will be visiting this area once more before making a continuation to go down. So we just put our limit order. I'm just gonna go for the lower one here and see how will the trade goes. Alright, so that's it. So we're just gonna take a look what the price will give us later. So I'm just gonna my strategy is using the pending order and just one I'm not sure. So let's wait for a few hours and see how it goes. Alright, so now we're back after a few hours. Now, as we can see, I actually um, lost quite a lot. I lost around more than $10, but luckily I um, check get the profit about 16 USD. Alright, so as we can see right now, I have $51 left. So what I'm seeing on the uh, gold spot against US dollar now, what I see is here we have a change of character, which is I'm aiming to I wanted to yeah we just make box. Now I wanted to aim that to enter on this level over here. Alright, just this level here. Okay, we just wanted to price to come back to this level to test our sell setup. Right, so I'm just gonna play safe one. Right, because I'm gonna use this area over here. uh just lose this. I'm just gonna put my sell stop, the first sell stop on this level. My stop loss is about 3 USD something, and we're aiming for 100 pips. Now we're aiming for 100 pips, right? And then I'm gonna put another one, 0.02 on a little higher on this level over here. Only if the price tap this level, then I'm gonna put my stop loss around 30 pips, take profit about 100 pips here. So I'm just gonna put my sell order here. Now, as for the buy position, if I take a look over here, the price is currently at 3357. So we're looking for the 3353. Looking at the 3353 and 3353.5. So this is where we're gonna put our buy position. Right, this is my buy position. Just gonna put the stop loss, then take profit into our hit stop loss first. Maybe hit the stop loss, the first one, and then take the real profit. Now, if we take a look at the history of the price, there's a possibility that the price might buy again from here, putting a stop loss on this level, take profit on this level here. Alright, now the price might go push a little lower, and we will take a look how the price react on our order. Okay, so we'll see you guys next time. So we're just gonna wait for a few more hours, then we're gonna take a look at it again. Right now this is the account that I've been trading for 50 USD, started with 50 USD. Right now we are running more than 100 pips, so we are having a loss before. Alright, so right now I'm gonna close this position, and right now we are on 126 USD. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the account right now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna remove this sell limit. Alright, so this is for today. I've been able to gain profit about 76 USD. I'm looking forward to flip it some more tomorrow, as we don't know what's the market condition will be tomorrow, because it seems like there's no um, there's no obvious range of the price. So I'm just gonna rest for the night. There's no trading for tonight, and the London session is finished. So I guess I'm just gonna uh, wait until tomorrow and see, take a look at the London Open because the Tokyo session will be a lot of liquidity and fake out. And you just look and wait for the London Open tomorrow to find the where's the liquidity sweep and liquidity graph will be for the London Open. Alright, so that's all for me today. See you guys tomorrow for another attempt, another challenge on um, flipping this 50 USD account. Alright, see you guys next time.